Happy Sunday, everybody. Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey here. Happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers and aunts and grandmothers. Hope you enjoy your day. Hopefully, the rain will hold off, or at least the severe weather. We could use a little bit of rain, but hopefully that will come this evening if you're planning on doing anything outdoors. Wouldn't change any of your outdoor plans, but it's a situation where I would say, hey, keep an eye on radar. Just be on the safe side, with the potential of maybe a few thunderstorms developing as we get now into the afternoon. I'm recording this webcast here about 1 o'clock. And we're going to keep our eye open pretty much from now until sundown for the development of thunderstorms. What you're looking at now is a look at radar at 1 o'clock. And you can see most of the activity as far as rain and thunderstorms is to our west. This is riding along a warm front, and as I let the loop kind of catch up here, let me flip over and kind of show you what it looks like at the surface. You got an area of low pressure out towards central Iowa, warm front here. We are now on the south end, the warm sector of this warm front. Here's the, let me go back and show you the loop, and again, you're seeing most of the motion of this going kind of the northeast, this big complex of rain. A lot of this is probably going to miss us, but there are some models that are indicating that we could see a few scattered storms develop across much of our area. Let me turn the radar off here. First, I'm going to go to the outlook, the convective outlook for today. Everybody in the yellow is under a slight risk, so that's pretty much the entire state. Slight risk for severe weather. And then the moderate risk, more elevated risk for severe weather into central Iowa, and that stretches back into the plains. Let's kind of go a little deeper with this. Probability of tornado, got about a 5%. This brighter yellow is 5%, 10% in this darker yellow here. So it's tornado threat is not zero, but it is still pretty low. Hail a little bit higher, 15% in this bright yellow. And then 30% in the dark yellow, so that is extreme northwestern portions of our viewing area. And then you're looking at 45 in the red, that's well west of us. And probability of damaging winds, we have 15% here. So this is going to be primarily a hail threat with potential for some damaging winds, and then can't rule out maybe an isolated tornado. There is a watch already out. It is extreme northwestern and western counties. Let me zoom in a little bit closer here. So you can see Peoria County not under this right now. Henry County is. So is Warren County, and then that stretches back to the west. Had a lot of questions on Facebook about will we be seeing this extended? Right now, tough to answer. There's a lot of question marks, even though we're getting kind of close to maybe seeing some of these storms develop. If we start seeing some activity going, possibly. But right now, there's no word or indication that that's going to take place. So, of course, we'll update you if we do see some chatter about the possibility of a watch being issued. This is one of the models that we're looking at, and you'll notice here this particular model doesn't have a whole lot as far as precipitation goes. This is at 1 o'clock, so doing a pretty good job. Again, showing the complex to our north and west. You notice a few isolated storms developing here, and I think that's probably going to be the case for this afternoon. You're not going to be talking about widespread rain here. There's going to be some of these little pop-ups that'll just be scattered across the area, and a handful of them or less could be on the stronger side, again, with a little bit of hail. This does take us to, let's see, that's 3 o'clock. That's around 4 o'clock this afternoon, again, across the state, especially down to the south. Look how just isolated everything is, and then that complex stays north of us. That's at 6 o'clock this evening, and around 7. You'll notice as I zoom out a little bit, too, a big complex kind of getting going to our west. That'll be here during the overnight hours, not anticipating severe weather overnight, but I do anticipate that we're going to have a good chance for rain this evening. So if you're getting outside and you're getting the flowers, you're thinking about, hey, should I water? You're probably going to have a good shot for some rain later on this evening. So that will carry over late night into early Monday morning. So hopefully some beneficial rain, and like I said, should hold off on the severe weather. So that's the update that we have for now. Like I said, you got any Mother's Day plans? You're going to be outside for the afternoon. I wouldn't change anything. We're okay right now. Um, just keep your eye on radar. Check in with my Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus page. I'll be updating if things start to get a little bit hairy as we get later on in the afternoon. But hopefully we'll just be dodging a few of these quick cells, and hopefully most of them will stay below severe limits. Again, some of them could be on the stronger side, though. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that. And if things do change, of course, I'll post another webcast here quickly up on social media as well. Thanks for checking out this webcast. Have a great Sunday, and again, happy Mother's Day.